Who are they?
They are my friends.
Who is she?
She's my mom.
What's happening?
I'm eating lunch.
Where are you?
I'm at school.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
What's that?
That's my book.
Who is he?
He's my brother.
Where is the bus?
It's coming.
Why are you sad?
I lost my phone.
How do you feel?
I feel happy.
What did you eat?
I ate pizza.
When is your birthday?
It's in June.
How is the weather?
It's sunny.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What's in your hand?
It's a pen.
Where is she?
She's at home.
How do you spell that?
It's spelled T-O-M.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
What's your favorite food?
I like pasta.
Where is the store?
It's nearby.
How much is this?
It's $5.
Who is calling?
It's my friend.
What's your favorite sport?
I like soccer.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What did you buy?
I bought a gift.
Why are you laughing?
The joke is funny.
Who is your teacher?
Mrs. Smith is my teacher.
What's your hobby?
I like painting.
Where is the party?
It's at my house.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
What's your favorite movie?
I like Toy Story.
How do you study?
I read books.
Who is your best friend?
Emily is my best friend.
What's your phone number?
It's 41 380 459 0789.
Where do you work?
I work at a bank.
How was your day?
It was good.
What's your favorite drink?
I like coffee.
What's your plan for today?
I'll go shopping.
How do you cook rice?
I boil it.
Who is your favorite singer?
I like Taylor Swift.
What do you like to do?
I like to play games.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise daily.
What's your favorite animal?
I like cats.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the park.
What's your favorite book?
I like Harry Potter.
How do you relax?
I listen to music.
Who is your favorite actor?
I like Tom Hanks.
What time is dinner?
It's at 7 p.m.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
What do you want to eat?
I want some chicken.
Where is your phone?
It's on the table.
How do you go to school?
I walk to school.
What's your favorite subject?
I like math.
Who is at the door?
It's the mailman.
What time is the meeting?
It's at 2 p.m.
How do you feel today?
I feel tired.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a blue shirt.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the beach.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like apples.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer.
How often do you read?
I read every day.
What do you like to drink?
I like tea.
Where is the nearest hospital?
It's down the street.
How do you start your day?
I start with a shower.
What's your favorite dessert?
I like ice cream.
Who is your role model?
My dad is my role model.
How do you go to work?
I drive my car.
What's your favorite song?
I like Shape of You.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Where is the bathroom?
It's on the left.
What did you do today?
I went shopping.
How do you spend your weekend?
I relax at home.
Who is your favorite athlete?
I like Lionel Messi.
What's your favorite place?
I like the park.
How do you make tea?
I boil water and add tea.
What's in your bag?
I have a notebook.
Where is your hometown?
I'm from London.
How do you learn English?
I practice every day.
What's your favorite holiday?
I like New Year.
Who do you talk to the most?
I talk to my mom the most.
How long does it take to get there?
It takes 30 minutes.
What did you watch last night?
I watched a movie.
Where is your favorite restaurant?
It's in the city center.
How often do you travel?
I travel twice a year.
What's your favorite game?
I like chess.
Who is your boss?
Mr. Robbie is my boss.
What do you want to learn?
I want to learn French.
Where do you buy groceries?
I buy them at the supermarket.
How do you celebrate your birthday?
I have a party with friends.
What's your favorite TV show?
I like Friends.
Who is your neighbor?
Miss Paula is my neighbor.
How do you stay healthy?
I eat well and exercise.
What's your favorite time of day?
I like the evening.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like chocolate.
How do you get to the airport?
I take a taxi.
What do you like to wear?
I like comfortable clothes.
Where do you go for fun?
I go to the park.
What's your favorite drink in the morning?
I like coffee.
Who do you call when you're sad?
I call my best friend.
How do you celebrate holidays?
I spend time with family.
What's your favorite snack?
I like chips.
When do you exercise?
I exercise in the morning.
Where is your school?
It's near my house.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and watch TV.